Okay, last problem. X plus 4 over x squared plus 12x plus 20. Plus x plus 1 over x squared plus 8x minus 20. So I see my bottoms are both quadratics. I need to factor both of them. I see that my a term is a 1 on each of them, so that tells me I can use my shortcut. So this could be 1 and 20, could be 2 and 10, could be 4 and 5. I see my signs are the same. I see my larger number is positive. I see the 2 plus 10 gives me that 12 there. So shortcut, I have x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 10. That's my new denominator. Looking at the other denominator, again, I see the 20, so I know that could be 1 and 20, could be 2 and 10, or could be 4 and 5. I see my sign is negative, so that means different signs. I see my larger number is positive, so my smaller number must be negative. So this gives me 19, that gives me 8, and that gives me 1. I want the number to be 8, so I'm using the minus 2 and plus 10. So shortcut, x minus 2 and x plus 10. And that is my denominator over there. Now I can erase my scratch work because I don't have all the extra room that you guys have on your paper. You can just grab out another piece of paper. And I carry down my numerators. X plus 4, the plus sign in between them, x plus 1 over there. I want to add, well, no, I can't add yet. I have to find my common denominator first. X plus 2, do I have an x plus 2 over here? No, that's a minus. So I need to multiply x plus 2 over there. X plus 10, do I have an x plus 10 over there? Yeah, that's already taken care of. X minus 2. Okay, so I'm looking at that. Do I have an x minus 2 over here? No, that's a plus. So I need to multiply x minus 2 in. X plus 10, do I have one over here? Yeah, that's okay. So now I know how to find my common denominator. It's that times that times that. My numerator, I need to FOIL. So I have x squared minus 2x plus 4x minus 8. And then I'm adding all of that. So I have a plus. FOIL this out. X times x is x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. And it's all over the same denominator. X plus 2, x plus 10, and x minus 2. That's a lot of stuff there. But it's still manageable. I just have to take it one little piece at a time. So I'm going to find my common terms, my like terms. I have an x squared here. So I'm looking for anything else where I have x squared. No, no, yes. So I'm going to check those off. X squared plus x squared. That gives me 2x squared. Pardon my squeezing this in. Okay. Now I have x to the first. Do I have anything else with x to the first? There. Not the 8. There. X to the first here. X to the first there. So I need to combine those four terms. So I have the minus 2, I have the plus 2, they cancel each other out. So I have plus 4x plus 1x is plus 5x. So minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Plus 2 again is 2. Plus 1 is 5. So plus 5x. And then I look at my no x term. I have the minus 8 and the plus 2. Combine that together, I get minus 6. And that's still over that same set of factors here. X plus 2, x plus 10, x minus 2. You think you're done? You're not done. You have a quadratic on the top. You need to factor that out. So I look at the 2, I look at the 6, I think, ooh, they're both even numbers. That's not an even number, so I can't factor out a 2. Because that's not 1, I can't even use my shortcut. So I need room. Okay, take my 2 times 6. I have a positive times a negative, so I know that's going to be a negative. So it's telling me I'm going to have different signs on the inside. So that's giving me negative 12. So I could do 1 and 12, 2 and 6, or 3 and 4. I know my signs are going to be different. I see the plus sign for my b term. I know that the larger number is going to be positive. Since my signs are different, the smaller number is negative. I see a 5 there. I'm going to add these up. Gives me 11. Gives me 4. Gives me 1. None of those is 5. So seeing that I don't have a 5 there, I cannot factor this by grouping. There is another method I could use, but we haven't reached there yet. So because I cannot factor that, I cannot check to see, can I pull any of that out of there? So I'm going to call that my final answer. And I am done.